Welcome to my channel. Here you'll find motivational content, personal growth tips, and empowering advice to help you become the best version of yourself. If you're ready to take charge of your life and level up, hit that subscribe button and join me on this exciting journey. Life has a way of throwing curveballs at us, doesn't it? We all experience moments that test our patience, our strength, and our emotional stability. It could be an unexpected challenge at work, a personal struggle, or even something as simple as traffic. In these moments, it's easy to lose control, to let the stress take over, and to react impulsively. But what if I told you that the key to navigating these moments is not about controlling the situation, but about controlling how you respond to it? What if I told you that your greatest power lies in your ability to stay calm no matter what life throws at you? Training your mind to stay calm is not something that happens overnight. It's a practice. It's about understanding that while you can't always control external circumstances, you can always control your internal state. The mind is powerful, and if you train it, it can be your greatest ally in times of chaos. But if you allow your emotions to take the driver's seat, you can easily be swept away by the storm, making decisions based on fear, frustration, or panic. It's not about being passive or avoiding challenges. It's about cultivating a sense of peace and composure, even in the most difficult moments. The first step in training your mind is awareness. We often go through life on autopilot, reacting to situations without ever stopping to check in with ourselves. We don't pause to ask, how am I feeling right now? What's triggering this reaction? By becoming aware of your thoughts and emotions, you create space between what's happening outside of you and how you choose to respond. Awareness allows you to step back, breathe, and assess the situation before you react. In that space, you can make a conscious decision about how you want to respond, rather than letting your emotions dictate your actions. One of the most powerful tools for training your mind is mindfulness. When you practice mindfulness, you train yourself to be fully present in the moment, without judgment. It's about observing your thoughts and feelings without attaching labels like good or bad to them. In moments of stress, instead of allowing your mind to spiral into worst-case scenarios, mindfulness helps you anchor yourself in the present. You stop dwelling on what might happen and focus on what's happening right now. This shift in perspective can make all the difference in maintaining calm during a storm. Breathing exercises are another powerful tool. When we're stressed, our breath becomes shallow and our heart rate speeds up. But the simple act of taking deep, deliberate breaths can calm your nervous system and help you regain control. Deep breathing allows you to pause, slow down, and reset. It's one of the quickest and most effective ways to center yourself in a moment of chaos. By consciously breathing, you send a signal to your brain that everything is okay, even when it might not feel like it. You also need to embrace the power of perspective. Often, our stress comes from our attachment to how things should be. We get upset when things don't go according to plan, or when we face unexpected obstacles. But if we change our perspective and see challenges as opportunities for growth, our emotional response shifts. Instead of seeing a setback as a catastrophe, we begin to see it as a lesson, a chance to build resilience, and an opportunity to learn something new. This shift in mindset doesn't just reduce stress, it empowers us to move through life with grace, even when things aren't going our way. Another powerful technique is self-compassion. Many of us are our own harshest critics. When we make mistakes or when things go wrong, we beat ourselves up, often making the situation worse. But when you practice self-compassion, you allow yourself the grace to be imperfect. You forgive yourself for your mistakes and treat yourself with kindness, just as you would treat a friend who is going through a tough time. When you stop being so hard on yourself, you release a lot of unnecessary tension and stress, and you create the space to remain calm and composed. Sometimes the best way to stay calm in any situation is to remember that everything is temporary. In the middle of a challenge, it can feel like the weight of the world is on your shoulders. But if you remind yourself that this moment will pass, you can loosen your grip on the situation and stop trying to control every little detail. When you detach yourself from the need for perfection perfection, you begin to see life in a more fluid way. You trust that the storm will pass and that you will come out stronger on the other side. One of the most important things to remember is that it's okay to not have all the answers. We live in a world that values certainty, that promotes the idea that we need to have everything figured out at all times. But life is uncertain, and that's okay. It's okay to not have control over every aspect of your life. What matters is how you handle the uncertainty. Training your mind to stay calm means embracing the unknown with a sense of trust and surrender. It's about knowing that you don't need to have all the answers right now. What matters is staying grounded, staying present, and trusting the process. Training your mind to stay calm doesn't mean ignoring your emotions or pretending that life is always easy. It means acknowledging your feelings without allowing them to take over. It means taking a step back, breathing deeply, and choosing to respond with clarity rather than reacting in a way that you might later regret. It means developing the emotional intelligence to navigate life's challenges with grace, patience, and composure. By learning to stay calm in any situation, you free yourself from the constant cycle of stress and anxiety that so many of us experience. You empower yourself to move through life with a sense of inner peace, no matter what's happening around you. And that peace is not just a luxury, it's a necessity for living a life of fulfillment, balance, and purpose. When you can maintain calm in the midst of chaos, you unlock a level of strength and resilience that will carry you through even the toughest of times. In life, we often find ourselves caught up in the rush of daily responsibilities, the pressure of expectations, and the constant stimulation from the world around us. We move through our days on autopilot, reacting to situations without truly understanding what is driving our emotion. In such moments, our reactions tend to be impulsive, and we may later look back and wonder why we acted the way we did. The first step in learning to stay calm in any situation is developing awareness. Understanding your thoughts, emotions, and triggers before you react. Awareness is the foundation of emotional intelligence, and without it, we can easily find ourselves controlled by our feelings rather than empowered by them. Being aware means taking the time to check in with yourself. Often we are so focused on what's happening around us that we forget to pause and reflect on what's happening within us. It's about asking yourself how you feel in the moment, without judgment or self-criticism. Are you stressed, frustrated, anxious? Understanding your emotions allows you to create space between the feeling and the reaction. It's this pause that gives you the power to decide how to respond, rather than just reacting on instinct. This small yet significant shift helps you gain control of your mind and emotions instead of being overwhelmed by them. To develop awareness, you need to practice becoming mindful of your emotional triggers. Emotional triggers are the situations, people, or events that tend to push you into a reactive state. There could be a difficult conversation with a colleague, a conflict with a loved one, or even something as small as a disruption in your daily routine. These triggers can cause us to react without thinking, sometimes in ways that we later regret. Awareness allows you to recognize these triggers before they take control. By identifying what sets off your emotions, you give yourself the ability to make a conscious decision about how to respond. You can ask yourself, why is this triggering me? Is my reaction proportional to the situation, or am I reacting from past experiences or assumptions? This helps you break free from automatic reactions and gain clarity on the best course of action. Sometimes awareness means sitting with uncomfortable emotions instead of trying to escape or suppress them. It's easy to distract ourselves when we feel anger, fear, or sadness. Whether it's through work, social media, or even numbing habits like eating or drinking, we often avoid confronting our emotions head-on. But by denying our feelings, we only allow them to grow stronger and eventually spill over in unexpected ways. Developing awareness means allowing yourself to feel without judgment. Instead of labeling your emotions as good or bad, simply acknowledge that they are there, and that's okay. By sitting with discomfort, we can better understand its source and find healthier ways to deal with it. Another key part of awareness is noticing the physical sensations that accompany your emotions. Our bodies often give us clues about how we're feeling long before our minds catch up. For example, when we're stressed or anxious, we may notice our shoulders tense up, our heart rate increase, or our breath becomes shallow. When we're angry, we may feel a tightness in our chest or an increase in body temperature. These physical sensations are signals from our body that can help us recognize what's happening internally. When you learn to pay attention to these physical cues, you can catch yourself before your emotions escalate too far. Recognizing the early signs of emotional tension allows you to pause, take a deep breath, and make a more thoughtful decision about how to respond. In addition to self-awareness, developing awareness also involves creating a mindset that is open and non-judgmental. It's easy to be critical of ourselves when we feel overwhelmed or reactive. We might tell ourselves, I shouldn't feel this way, or I should be stronger than this. However, this self-judgment only adds fuel to the fire. Instead, the goal is to observe your emotions and reactions with compassion, understanding that being human means feeling a wide range of emotions. This non-judgmental awareness allows us to accept ourselves as we are in the moment, which reduces the emotional charge associated with these feelings. The more we accept ourselves without criticism, the less likely we are to spiral into negative emotions that control us. Awareness also helps us develop empathy, both for ourselves and others. When we are aware of our own emotional responses, we are better able to understand the emotional needs of others. This can be particularly helpful in interpersonal relationships. When we are aware of our triggers and emotional states, we can communicate more effectively and calmly without letting our emotions dictate the conversation. We become better listeners, more attuned to the feelings of others, and able to respond with greater sensitivity and understanding. This awareness in relationships fosters deeper connections and more harmonious interactions. It's important to note that developing awareness is not something that happens once and is done. It's an ongoing practice. Every day brings new challenges and opportunities for self-awareness. Some days you'll be more aware of your emotions, and other days you might slip into autopilot mode. That's okay. The goal is to consistently check in with yourself, learn from each experience, and grow. As you continue to build this practice, awareness will become more automatic, and over time you will find yourself naturally responding to situations with greater calm and clarity. The benefits of awareness are far-reaching. Not only does it help you stay calm in the face of stress, but it also enhances your overall emotional well-being. When you are aware of your emotions and can process them without judgment, you experience less anxiety, fewer moments of overwhelm, and greater resilience. Awareness allows you to gain perspective on any situation. And from this place of understanding, you can choose to act with intention rather than simply reacting. By learning to pause, breathe, and reflect before responding, you gain the power to navigate life's challenges with poise, composure, and grace. Ultimately, awareness is the key to unlocking a calm, centered mind. It helps you rise above the chaos of life, allowing you to approach every situation with a sense of clarity and peace. The more you cultivate awareness, the more you strengthen your ability to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. And with that, you create a life that is more in tune with your inner strength, leading you to a place of greater peace and emotional balance. Mindfulness is one of the most powerful tools for training your mind to stay calm in any situation. It's a practice that encourages us to be fully present in the moment, to focus on what is happening right now rather than getting lost in thoughts about the past or future. Often we find ourselves consumed by distractions, constantly planning ahead, worrying about what's to come, or ruminating on things that have already passed. These distractions can cause unnecessary stress, anxiety, and emotional turmoil. Mindfulness helps us break free from this cycle by teaching us to pay attention to the present moment with a sense of awareness and non-judgment. The essence of mindfulness lies in being aware of our thoughts, feelings, and sensations without attaching labels of good or bad to them. We often judge ourselves and our experiences, leading to negative thought patterns and emotional turmoil. For example, if we feel anxious about a situation, we might start thinking, I shouldn't feel this way, Or, I'm weak for being nervous. These judgments only reinforce the stress and anxiety, making the situation seem worse. Mindfulness, on the other hand, invites us to simply observe our thoughts and emotions as they come and go without getting caught up in them. By practicing mindfulness, we can learn to accept our emotions without feeling overwhelmed by them. One of the most accessible ways to practice mindfulness is through breath awareness. Our breath is always with us, and it serves as an anchor that connects us to the present moment. When we are stressed or anxious, our breath often becomes shallow and rapid. By consciously slowing down our breath and taking deep, full breaths, we signal to our nervous system that it is safe to relax. This simple practice can immediately calm the body and mind. By focusing on our breath, we prevent ourselves from getting lost in the swirling thoughts and emotions that often arise in times of stress. The breath becomes our anchor, reminding us to return to the present moment and regain control over our emotional state. Mindfulness also encourages us to be non-judgmental about our experiences. When we practice mindfulness, we stop labeling our thoughts as right or wrong, good or bad. Instead, we simply observe them as they are, without trying to change or control them. This non-judgmental attitude helps us approach difficult emotions such as anger, frustration, or fear with a sense of acceptance. Instead of resisting these feelings or trying to push them away, we allow them to be present without getting entangled in them. Over time, this practice helps us reduce the intensity of negative emotions and makes it easier to stay calm in difficult situations. Another key element of mindfulness is cultivating awareness of our surroundings. We live in a world full of distractions. Our phones, our emails, our to-do lists, constantly pulling our attention in different directions. These distractions often cause us to lose focus on what's happening around us, leading to stress and anxiety. By practicing mindfulness, we can learn to bring our full attention to the present moment and become more attuned to the sights, sounds, and sensations around us. This helps us connect with the world in a deeper way, fostering a sense of calm and contentment. When we are fully present, we are not overwhelmed by thoughts or worries about the past or future. Instead, we experience life as it is in all its richness and complexity. Mindfulness also helps us to develop greater emotional resilience. And when we are mindful, we are better able to respond to difficult emotions with compassion and understanding. Instead of reacting impulsively or being carried away by our feelings, we create space between the stimulus and our response. This space allows us to choose how we want to respond rather than simply reacting out of habit or automatic emotional patterns. For example, when we experience anger or frustration, mindfulness helps us to step back and observe these emotions without acting on them immediately. We can then choose a response that is thoughtful and measured rather than one that is driven by impulsivity or reactivity. In addition to emotional resilience, mindfulness helps us cultivate a sense of inner peace. By practicing mindfulness, we train ourselves to stay grounded in the present moment, regardless of what is happening around us. Life is full of ups and downs, but when we practice mindfulness, we learn not to be shaken by the fluctuations of life. We develop a sense of calm that comes from within, and this calmness remains steady even when external circumstances are challenging. Instead of getting caught up in the drama of life, we learn to observe it with a sense of detachment and equanimity, which allows us to remain centered and balanced no matter what is going on. It's also important to note that mindfulness is not something that you can only practice in quiet, peaceful moments. In fact, mindfulness is most beneficial when applied in the midst of daily life, during moments of stress or challenge. It's easy to practice mindfulness when things are calm, but the true power of mindfulness comes when we apply it in difficult situations. When we are stuck in traffic, dealing with a challenging coworker, or facing a stressful deadline, mindfulness helps us to remain composed and present. Instead of getting overwhelmed by stress or anxiety, we can use mindfulness to stay grounded, to breathe deeply, and to respond thoughtfully. By bringing mindfulness into every situation, we transform the way we experience life, allowing us to move through it with greater ease and grace. Another benefit of mindfulness is that it helps us become more in tune with our bodies. When we are stressed or anxious, we often disconnect from our physical sensations, focusing only on our thoughts and emotions. However, our bodies provide valuable information about our emotional state. For example, we may notice tightness in our shoulders, a racing heart, or shallow breath when we are stressed. By practicing mindfulness, we become more aware of these physical cues and can use them as signals to slow down and regain control. Paying attention to our bodies allows us to respond to stress in a healthier way, rather than letting it build up and affect our well-being.